Liquid filters. Types, filtration methods, and selection considerations. This video presents all the information you need to know about liquid filters. Watch further and learn more about what are liquid filters, operating principles of liquid filters, methods of liquid filtration, types of liquid filters, considerations in liquid filters, and much more. Chapter 1. What are liquid filters? Chapter 2. What are the operating principles of liquid filters? Industrial filtration equipment is engineered for a broad array of applications and can be operated in two common modes. Constant rate filtration. Constant pressure filtration. Filter medium. Filter media are engineered from diverse materials to satisfy demanding filtration industry requirements. In selecting a filtration media solution, these performance attributes must be carefully evaluated for their impact on overall liquid filtration system operations and lifecycle costs. Filter aids. Chapter 3. What are the methods of liquid filtration? Surface filtration. Depth filtration. Beyond surface and depth filtration, several specialized liquid filtration methods address a variety of process and quality requirements. Hot filtration. Cold filtration. Multi-layer filtration. Frequently asked questions. What is the main function of a liquid filter? How do surface and depth filtration differ? Why is selecting the right filter medium important? What are common applications for liquid filters in water treatment? How do filter aids enhance liquid-solid separation? What factors influence the efficiency of a liquid filtration system? Chapter 4. What are the types of liquid filters? Clean-in-place filters. Bag filters. The construction of filter bags can be either sewn or welded. Cartridge filter. Cartridge filters are available in various types based on their design. There are also specialized cartridge filters designed to meet specific requirements. Some examples include activated carbon filter cartridges, ceramic filter cartridges, reverse osmosis membrane cartridges, alkaline filter cartridges, ultraviolet filter cartridges, rotary drum filters, filter press, Chapter 5. What are the considerations in selecting liquid filters? When designing a liquid filtration system and choosing the right filter equipment, take the following factors into account. The flow rate of the processed liquid, mode of operation, nature and flow characteristics of the liquid, nature of the solids to be removed, the component to be discarded. Criticality of filtration efficiency. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right liquid filter manufacturers for your needs.